Hi, I'm Scott Reel, and on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, I'd like to talk to you about perennial gardens. Mulching your perennial border is an important thing for a couple of different reasons. One, it helps to stop weeds from encroaching. As you can see here, we've got some weeds that are starting to creep into the garden. Well, one of the ways we can help discourage that is with a good, healthy coating of mulch. We'll just shake some mulch out into the area. Spread it around. Because I don't have too many plants right here, I can put it down at a fairly thick level. And that's really going to help suppress the weeds and even the grass from growing back into that area. I'm using cedar mulch here because it's near my house, but you can use lots of other different kinds of mulch. Out here in my backyard, I've got a liberal supply of pine needles, thanks to the pine tree up over my head here. These guys are not so much used here in the Northeast, but I know a lot of people down south are real fond of using pine needles, and you can even find them as bag mulch down there. But my thought is, make hay while the sun shines, and, well, you might as well make pine needle mulch when the pine needle drops them. So, think about things that you can use around your yard, around your house. I often use my compost as mulch in my vegetable gardens. Even ripped up newspapers can work great as a mulch in your vegetable gardens to help keep weeds down. Remember why we're using the mulch? If it's just to make it look good, then you're going to want to spend some money. But if you're just looking to keep weeds down, then hey, even black plastic is going to go a long way towards keeping your garden mulched.